Hello friends, welcome to Jeevan Bima Bazaar. Today I am sharing something that looks small on paper but can become a very big problem for families later. The nominee in their LIC policy. This video is especially for LIC agents who go on surveys and use the survey form to talk to new people. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to discuss question 2 of the survey form. Do you want to change the nominee so that you help the client and also build your professional image? The survey form is not just a piece of paper. It's a very practical tool that helps you start meaningful conversations, create awareness, and so that you are a professional, trustworthy advisor. When used well, the form opens doors. People remember you, refer you, and call you when they need help. Many clients don't understand the word nominee. Some have heard it, but they don't know the real importance. So please avoid heavy jargon. Don't throw words like NEFT, beneficiary, rider, sum assured, surrender, all at once. Keep it simple. Sir, in an LIC policy, a nominee is the person who receives the claim amount of the policyholder passes away. Simple example. Suppose a person named Mohan buys a LIC policy and writes his father as the nominee. If Mohan passes away during the policy term, the claim amount will be paid to his father. When clients understand this clearly, they take your next question seriously. Share a short real-life story to create awareness. Last year, my friend Mukesh Chandravanshi lost his father. His father had an LIC policy. Mukesh submitted all the required documents at the branch. The claim was approved and a check was around to 8 lakh arrived by post. But it was in his mother's name. The problem? His mother had passed away 5 years earlier. That check became useless for Mukesh. At the branch manager said the check could be reissued in the Mukesh names only after the proofs in the court that he is the rightful claimant. Even today, Mukesh is going around courts, wasting time and energy, all because the nominee was not updated after his mother's death. One small mistake can create a big struggle. This is why question number 2 matters so much in the survey. After the story, ask politely and professionally. Sir, in your LIC policy, is the nominee updated correctly? Or do you feel a change is needed? This shows that you care about the client's interest. Now the client will listen with attention. 3 common client responses and what you should do. First response, I don't know who my nominee is. Ask to see the policy bond and help the client locate and understand the nominee details. Response 2, I want to change the nominee. Do not promise instant help or take a original policy bond with you. Explain the process clearly and give the nominee change form. Guide them on how to submit the original policy bond at the LIC branch as part of the standard procedure. Offer support without pressure. If you wish, you can come with me to the branch and we will complete it together. Response 3, no change needed. Use this as the trusted building moment. Sir, my goal is create awareness, so no policy holder in our area faces problem later. Even if they bought from another agent, I can't reach everyone alone. So please share this information with your friends and relatives. And if anyone needs help, ask them to contact me without hesitation. These lines position you as a helper, not just a seller. Now the question is why this approach works. You build a professional image quickly. Clients start to trust you because you care about their family safety. You get referrals. Their friends and relatives contact you when they needed help. Over time, your business grows because people remember the agent who solved real problems. Now let's recap it. Use the survey form to start meaningful conversations. Explain nominee in simple language with a clear example. Share a short story to show real life impact. Ask the right question. Handle the 3 responses correctly. Do not take original policy bond. Explain the process offered to a company. Always aim to help first. Business will follow. If you are an LIC agent, review your client's nominee details during surveys. One small update today can save a family from big trouble tomorrow. If you found this useful, please like this video and share it to other agents. Subscribe to Jeevan Bima Bazaar for more practical tips, step-by-step guides, and real case studies that help you grow as a professional LIC advisor. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.